Hello everyone, this is Zoe with WeShipFloors.com, home of the SuperCore, exclusive at WeShipFloors.com. At a home show here in Meadow in Kingsport, Tennessee. Going to give you a quick overview of our display. We're displaying 48 colors, of which we have over 60. Got some of our wood on display. If you're local to us, come out and see us today. You're going to be here again tomorrow on Sunday. We got samples to give you and demonstrate how tough and durable our floor is with our anvil. Thank you so much. We appreciate all your support, and reach out to us at 844-356-6711 or visit us on the Bristol Highway in Johnson City, Tennessee.